Wetin dey happen for Dubai? Wetin dey happen with our Nigerian brothers? Wetin dey happen with our Nigerian sisters? Wetin dey happen? When we talk about this thing wey dey happen, make e try to stop. Wetin, why we get for be look this kind way? See how things dey go wrong. Nigerians losing their jobs. And una think say we will be free? We will not be free. Cameroonians and will not be free because the next people they for we are Nigerians, and we are living together with Nigerians, eating together with Nigerians, going out with Nigerians, intermarriages with Nigerians. So una think say the thing will affect we. Una talk, una wake up and speak. It's wrong. Yeah, we know some other nationality they do their own, they know the same, but it already say blacks and a minority, so why we not respect ourselves? We come out Africa for come here for can kill one another, hate one another. We come here for can show our bad character. If they don't say we Africans, then that would come up with blood cross them from our country, we will start the vex. You don't see video when Nigerians they cut human being, let's say na animal. Then you expect me some person happen you for your country where police that protect we at every time. Una go come una own and enter and kill people them. Una dey corrupt our youth them. Una dey corrupt our youth and some blockhead youth them, they go make them close to them like friends. Yes, we get good Nigerians, but now so we don't even know which one be good. Because some of them won't they look up to them, they still disappoint una. We get for speak up and stand up and speak. And we Cameroon YouTubers them, una get a lot of important things them to talk about because we look up to una YouTubers them. Una give first-hand information the way we did. See, there were Cameroonian sister, I no go call her name, but na a celebrity, na a star for Cameroon. He come out to come Dubai for can do waiting, high-level prostitution, where they call white man inside room, hide person inside cupboard, hold the white man, take him money, when they don't chat with fake pictures them. So now what does any one man protect we? See how they lose our job, they will be disrespected our job site just because they will come out Africa. Nigerians, they will not stop this nonsense. We will stop this nonsense and desperation for waiting because of competition. See that they look for companies, they're like killers them. Then while YouTubers they will look up to them, they know if you can't stand, discourage this kind of thing, give with first-hand information, they be busy killing themselves each other for YouTube. Now wait till this happen. Now wait till they happen. Now also I want to say we will be advanced. Now the kind of way we want to can be advanced. That one now may make a move jump to the topic of the video today. Yes, any man we want to say at when I want close can do my live video now because now my uniform for work and I get enough time for my workplace for do my video. Sorry, not live video. Now my show. Now me they run the show. So the one that don't drive you to the topic of today, the topic for today, if person we want hate me, may hate me, person we want insult me, may insult me. But we know if she don't fall around the watch the kind of thing they happen for among Cameroonians. We were not like this. What is happening? Now wait till it happen. We not be like this. Cameroonians they be their brothers keeper home and abroad. But things that don't change. You even fear for go open up for your fellow Cameroonians and get correct for my show because you go open it for social media. For social media, who care? You know if you go tell your friends say my picking get a kind of thing because you fear say you go open your nyash for social media. Why you get for be so? Damn so go they really live for an environment you fear. Wait till that talk where they talk say man live by man. It don't go, it don't die. And the fear for sending voice note because you go show another person or use it against me for social media. When we talk about this thing, the first person where I go start talk today about in a YouTuber where would you look up to you, Zveshela for Italy. This beautiful sister, this sister where God don't bless it plenty. Zveshela, I they look up to you, I they see your video the way you do them, you get a lot of vibes. You get a lot of vibes. You dey go deep, you dey dig in them and they appreciating the way you do them. But sister, if any person you don't touch you, hurt you, forgive the person. Move on with your YouTube channel because we support you 100%. The other day you talk about this Chucky baby hair and massa. You did talk try to bring with point and say a fake document or all that kind of thing. Now they kind of first-hand information they will want that for a year. Again, later again, we see some people they can counteract say this Chucky baby here and Imasa, they know Imasa na just person where it be caught up for the situation where it be. How we go to know now? Because they think that they come with a lot of caution. Our beautiful sister Diveshela, he can make that video. I be the goal for the know more about this thing where it happen. I can hear the counteract them. When a good thing, when this person where it counteract them, for fi contact Diveshela, me then talk about and see where the exact thing they come out. Then they can give you the information so that we will know what left from what right. But no, the person they can't debunk and now we cause insults. Because the way to a CEO grant the way he give the information, he give the way they because it be pained. Yes, grant a very radical person. When you want give information, it give the way it did. But she's still a mentor. She been a person where it pass out information. Though the YouTubers them now all will not decide now for the divert the topic for insults. The grant look into you. You get talents. Grant you fit change lives. You fit give people the first-hand information if you raise them up. Use their talent where God give you impact for life. Grantive, forget about all this sidey person. Say if you want analyze person in the video, analyze them. If some person can't cause you, continue to do their good work because it will be cost to cost. Then the thing will be now some kind of way. Grantive, you be queen, you know. You be queen where you impact people their life. You get things the way you talk the information war the way we're supposed to do. But Grant say, I beg you, me all this saga. I know say as you be the queen as well you fit to stop all this things on social media. You fit to stop all this thing them because Sam with the cry when I want to do for Europe. Forget all the things that we get a grant for Dubai. We are suffering because waiting. Life here too expensive. I see the other day for Dupe Sarah video na yesterday. It talk how it pay house 4,000 dirham. It talk a like joke, but you know normal say person go take more than $500,000 for pay. He rent there for one room, not in a flat. It no funny. With the year back, you know that money. If person keep 4,000 dirham for 6 months, now how much that for CFA? I beg me na watch my video today. Any person no joke can watch and small then can't yesterday they crush me, they criticize me. Because me and this what I bring now it will happen for my life. I know so that one no concern me na my if that's why it don't happen for my past and my person, that's why they happen for my present, I go appreciate them. Grant would really admire, would really look up to you. You be an example, you be a vibes. You know, you be a person we don't seek you to move and make people they know so they fit belong. I beg you forget about all this thing then. Move on to Dupe Sarah, our beautiful sister. Dupe Sarah, they come off for camera, they see how pretty she looks. See her show yesterday. See the gown in the red gown. See her eyes. See her looks. Beautiful Cameroon sister, where it care for the impact people their life, touching people's lives. I really like the fact that when the light on the camera, when they talk about it the way they happen. But Dupe Sarah, drop this thing down. Give away your content. I see a lot of things inside of you. You get better thing the way if you want to talk, you go move evidence, you go talk and we go learn. I beg una move picking the inside this thing. Una move picking the inside this thing una they do. And even minors are picking una move una self from this thing. Dupe Sarah, you know how to talk, you know how to dress, you are looking good, you are looking all magnificent, and also you get result if you want to give you information on them. Now some of you get for come for our own side, the tell me so that's supposed to do so, that's supposed to do so, that's supposed to do so, more listening to una. Dupe Sarah, you over fine. And it's some people that they bring up past pictures them how you be look before and now. Now development for life. You never hear say poverty the make man black. Poverty the make man black. Now development for life, at least if person bring a before and after picture, you see and say after picture be better than before picture. It means that you progress for life. Dupe Sarah, you've been a star, you've been an example. You've been a strong woman. Despite all the things the way they happen for social media, you still can't stand you talk. More use the vibe so for impact people their life, for fight against it in the way they happen when Nigeria that the child was spoiled by Cameroon community abroad because of it they be our neighbors then. More concentrate now for talk about things the way if you better Cameroon, if you better we for outside. Una sure say you know what it means to person that made the use on their life with a Grand Zive for YouTube. Una the collab together. Even though una figure una differences, but I'm telling you today, if you and Grand Zive they start the whole this una for YouTube, una two una collab together. See, Cameroon go crazy. Because we know say anything we hear from una, it go be na first hand. It go be an undiluted information. I hail you to Pesara. I hail you Grand Zive. Una place and day. The third person who I want to talk about is Isabella from Cameroon 237, keeping it real. Grandson Isabella, you see that your lens is the way you put your eye. Their eye contact. It fits you die. I subscribe for your channel first. I don't see Grand Zive in channel, but I subscribe for Isabella in channel first before Grand Zive channel because everything I be see and say Isabella na Cameroon-based blogger. You know what you mean? Tell me you put data for your phone, they watch YouTube, they make video them, they talk about things them. Not just that fact that you be based for Cameroon, I subscribe for your channel. And you are okay. You look good. You look very perfect. You get enough vibes if you bring first-hand information from Cameroon. Educate we. Isabella, if I tell you something, they look up to you, then I lie. I don't want me, you disappoint me. Isabella, drop this thing. If you want to analyze video, analyze the person in video, the way it did. I know a lot of people, they feel don't hurt you with their bad words and whatever, but drop it, Grand said. Drop it. I beg you, do things like, say your mom, you over sweet way if you give people the things they know, they go like them for years. You get good body, you get good everything, you get everything, you have a nice home, a nice family, you are sexy, you are beautiful. But drop this thing now. Time don't reach for you for drop and start. See how you put wig for your hair, you stand like white man. See how you did, very sexy. You did advertise product, you are looking better off even there. I don't know. You did like say you did a bush, even though you did a Cameroon. You are looking so you did on point. They've even used it for advertise more than you did so a brand ambassador now. They've even used it for advertise a lot of things because you get the figure. You did try, I hail you for that one. You did try a place today. Go for Lady B Billionaire. Lady B Billionaire. You don't ever take mirror. You look yourself. How nice you look. How beautiful you look. They are small broken too. They are baby mom. You don't ever check them. Let's be billionaire, you fine. Let's be billionaire, you know how to talk. You be no Western, they say no Western, they get accent, but your accent is on a mild side. You know what it means. I mean, you like that camera for Dubai with all this stress in Dubai for give out information. If you make sure so you give information, impact people their lives. Let's be billionaire. Impact people their life. You get them inside of you. You get them inside of you. Speak for Cameroonians. Speak for the children. Speak for love. Criticize, analyze, celebrate them. But no go into insult. No go into depressing people. I never thought so you depress people, but all the things. So if it depress me, where I not be involved, how much of people will be involved? Ask yourself, your power there for grave me, his humble soul rest in peace. It go like so many people that they move the thing for answer the caution where he don't die. It go be it's just that the thing that way your papa wish for you. It's just that the thing that way your mommy wish for you. Who they happy when they bring your family out can caution. You are not happy. When I feel only pretend for social media so I be happy. But when they start to touch on a personal life then it affects you now. Let's be you are a very cute girl. I know they screw down for the YouTube, I know watch on a channel there. I did watch them. I did hope to some person go speak. I see hot box for you as that fine auntie, that fine sister when I saw you fair and I saw you beautiful. I see Sunday Iwu can talk about me them move picking there for this saga. I say you can't talk, but after I want to watch the video again, I say it takes sides. It like say it in the Tupesara camp. But before I go subscribe for the channel because I be say if you want talk about it, say more earn me the thing stop. That I can't say and say if it takes I unsubscribe, I'll be very sorry. But anti hot box, more stand back and talk about this thing. See, I just look only a color at the open your video because you over. I did you open me a video for just look you. We go for Emma class and Bing Blanks. On how they call them Bing Blanks on a Bling Bangs, yeah. Emma class and the friend Bing Blanks. I don't know me how to call their name, my sister. Bling Bangs, yeah. See how young and vibrant una dey. Una be vibrant. If una start YouTube for the age, una know in the next 3 years how una channel will look like. Una forget the thing wey dey happen for social media. Make your video. 2 people they watch and the way it gets sense, it's okay. Make your video 2 people watch and where it get a lot of sense, it impact people, then it's okay. Small you go blow for positive side. I see when a friendship be too close. How many people they keep that kind of friendship for Dubai with this kind working condition, with this kind of time, with this kind of weather? How many people they keep this kind of close relationship? How many people even get close friends with them too? They are off there. Some person in off day want go find a boyfriend. Some person up there, he want go cook like chop there. He want go do like thing there. They will not off there, they come together, join, feel free, go shopping, do the store. I don't shop with something. When I off there before for the same day, I do watch now. I remember I don't comment for most of you. Say when I go watch my video, I dey comment for someone that they crush me. I no get time, but you see, I no go ever come say I want to talk to some person they crush me. So no. In my class and a friend because their name easy for call am. I know say one of una na my country girl Campbell. Una overfight. See una sexy skin the way if una advertise. If una advertise una belly. If una advertise una belly for inside clothes them, bikini them, una advertise things them. Now una fine skin una don't burn, but una skin they see they sweet as it is so. Maybe some person will contact you for US advertising material. I see in my class una also need the advertise maps. Una talk positivity, talk into people's life. Una get una beautiful children and back home. Una China they be very nice. Una at least okay. Una don't enter the circle. Una don't get enough followers. Una don't get enough subscribers. Una don't get enough views. And una fit cannot divert. Preach about the happening in our society. We will cry about this Nigeria, the way that they corrupt Cameroon society for Dubai, for abroad, for any side for abroad. We will talk about them. We talk about fake agents, the way they take people that are small money for Cameroon, chopper. We do investigation, bring vibes them. We gossip about cheating husband and this, but we no push. When you talk your thing, you can't live video, you know correct me some market to say no, that's not the way in my class you talk so you know be correct. I don't investigate I say like the story, this. No by your mommy boo or your wait you go coach. I never talk to the coach person. I don't talk na say who anything because as the person end me on you want to talk it go resort na to coach. We go for big boutiques, yes, big boutiques. Fashion police. Finest on who? Big boutique. See you be the only man inside saga for woman then but the divorce should be boutique a place day. You hear no? Advertise brand of clothes. Tell people how to dress. Criticize celebrity their wedding. Yes, now use that for your channel. Analyze their dressing. Analyze, talk about them. Give we vibes them. Big boutique, you know if you stand there we how we can Germany. You know if you tell we will there for year they talk so we suffer for Dubai day. You know if you just tell we how we do document, find the way with the right place. Tell we how you just say me and if you no one enter Europe. Tell we all the kind of thing for your channel. Okay, go for some place where they be setting them way affordable way person fit do business. Come online, talk say hey, now the thing this way they happen. Now fit do business so they dressing na so, me they do na so. I buy person they dress they marry na so. Bring example they online. Bring wedding the way you don't dress the groom. Bring wedding the way you don't give advice for the bride. Bring an online, more learn them. Tell we about Germany. Tell we about the reality of Germany. Tell we plenty in them. Big boutique, you too fine way. If you put something for your skin, it go stand. It is stand. And they see you, see, yeah, swag, eh? Big boutique. I know you ever know me say yellow tie the go you something, but when I like I ever screenshot the thing and keep am. So that the people in this voice of the voiceless, but no man, don't forget. I watched on this video where they insult Bono. I no one judge and why they insult Bono because he already entered the saga. That's something they bring something. But I want to tell you, say, you get for be strong for life. You get for avoid things that really attract insult for you. I want to tell you, say, me be strong because there are situations. It be very painful, but I know so you go overcome. Whether you took the wrong go side, don't go up, calm down the way I watch that video, you talk man no be God. If you talk positive things will happen for you. Stop the insult. Go back to your God. Talk to him. Tell him I know I made a lot of mistakes and I'm ready to correct my mistakes. Even if you don't apologize to the people that you don't wrong them, because I know that because you be hurt when you talk about those things, apologize for your God. Make peace with your God. Your womb get no problem. Your fallopian tube no get any problem. You as a person, you don't get any problem. Mash fire for YouTube. Give us those things that will 1 year. Give we those things that will 1 year. Investigator is so it be when I call them. That investigation police them, FBI. Investigate, give we real things. We go listen, we go watch, we go subscribe. After I don't talk all about this, more analyze now look say, if all this saga that they go on for YouTube, you popular na for waiting. You popular na for waiting. People they know you, so you popular na for waiting. For me, I just say popularity the deal with things the way we impact for personal life. Let's say when I coach so for social media, I happen to say I go for some more. I see Lady B, I see Dope Sarah, I see Emma Class, Bing Bangs, I see man even called Big Boutiques. I see CEO Ndiveshela, I see Isabella. When I work for more, I see now. Ma Rongo embrace now. Oh, now our celebrity then that for YouTube on our YouTuber then that from this saga na live. I no fit do am. I no go fit do am. Why? Because everything una never impact my life. I like the fact that we don't enter social media, but una never impact my life for the sense I still find things for learn am inside una never yet see am. I never thought so una dumb. I never thought so una know the make sense. I mean I say this saga don't divert the purpose of una for creating all these channels. How's are you? I know if it's una for road I go for una ski salon and the way I go for public figure there our celebrity there or our YouTuber them. Una change the thing, make go another direction. Impact people's life. See, una the talk this thing there for you, una the kosh. So Ndiveshela fit take and lightly, Dupe Sarah fit take and lightly, in my class fit take and lightly. But you don't know who way. I just give an example. I never talk to the other people. They don't fit take and lightly. You don't know who they take this thing inside in mind. Una don't know what the person fit do. Or we go Cameroon. Why yes they don't shoot some person. If it doesn't just social, maybe una be arrange it for starter, but it don't go out of hand. It don't go out of hand now for the way at the end some person to say if I meet you for road I'm gonna beat you. That comes to this my point. I watched some video where Dupe Sarah. Now Dupe Sarah I think on a Lady B billionaire. Well the person talk say if you meet up in my class for road, it go more beat you. If you beat you for road, police come. Nigeria they don't do their own, Cameroon they don't do their own, they don't spoil one name. Una try to think about that direction. They go say Cameroon and they fight themselves. What if you go meet her in my class road? You beat some person will like in my class they pass, it join. Some person will like you can see you, it join. So another person go call so another person say in my class, Dupe Sarah, Lady B, they fight for road, they join. It can be a big fight. What's going to happen at the end of the day? At the end of the day, what's going to happen? Like that video we will see and where Brenda show. Kobe's sister be slap Brenda show for bedroom. Hi, baby. police dey sack am. How e be? E be look pleasant. E no be pleasant. Na the thing that una wan teach we for YouTube, for social media. I no dey condemn una, I no dey criticize una. I just try to talk say that thing don be enough. Make we try to redress our steps dem. Make we divert the topic. If some person just close the thing, know the answer, know the talk, they do na thing, they go. The other person go can't tire, go continue so. And thing the way I don say, and I say people dey fail for understand when person analyze your video and when person insult you. If una say I say the analyzing somebody's video, it go bring a lot of squams and squabbles for this YouTube. Una just learn for counteract. Like if the person be say the person be thief this thing, you go investigate. You say actually the person no be thief, and you can get example say like the person that be talk for a channel say the person be thief this thing. I don't investigate. I get evidence say no, the person no be take the thing. I beg my sister to Sarah, if you try to find out more about this thing, because we too go life or learn from it. How life no go grow. See, una see Nigeria, they are celebrating them. They be make some challenge where they can't stand on long motor. The man go open the man, come out, the man go open the door for the man come out, the man go open the door for the man come out. It be nice. It was very nice. I see some collab where Hans Ayok collab here and how they call that again gonna on a voice of the voiceless. They collab, but they be collab so it be fine, but they be doing a like insult for Isabella. Way now that kind of collaboration they will like but me come now in a positive note. Yeah, me come on a positive note. So we open this to our YouTube channel them that for insult how we want to make Cameroon grow. See the thing when they happen back home for Cameroon, we want to make our own cold war abroad. See Cameroon, them say all things go be na fight. They fight for down, they fight for social media, they fight physically. Because say wait, Baba we go attack Brenda. And some person they promise in my class and how if you meet them for road, it go beat them. Fight go on for Cameroon. Them say our Cameroon community they fight home, abroad, social media, everything occurs. They curse we. Them say we don't just decide say we will live in a fight. And they talk as they talk so some person see the cause and normal, some person no take a normal. Some person go keep inside your heart, even witchcraft enter there at the end of the day. What if you want travel Sunday, go Germany or go Italy or travel can Dubai? You can't be stranded one ton so that Dubai Pereira is a one caution that they're supposed to help you. On a grand event for Italy will be a last so if you call them. On a big boutiques for Germany be a last so if you call them. I don't know about Bridget Benjamin them and Lady London them. I don't know so if you turn you meet all them. How na the impact for Cameroon community? How na the teach we will come up the new YouTubers then? I don't make video about being contented with what we have. I don't make video about how if you travel come for Dubai. I don't make like 3 videos or so. Una pass for them, una watch the video then. And also I never reach that class, that standard, that level for una, but at least I believe say some small thing for them my video the way people go learn. See, Grant, if they talk about this Chucky baby and Imasa, we never know the validity of all these things, and because the topic we try to bring them, it be good, but now they are being they debunk and people they talk different things. Them how we want to take and stay away from fake agents, and we will not even get the first-hand information then. We will not get the first-hand information then. The man can't say no be na so it be. The man doesn't na so it be there. The man say na so it be there, bring your own evidence. The man say no be na so it be there, bring your own evidence. But when they confuse this community, when they confuse we. Me I'm not there for clean any community. I'm not cleaning any community. I'm passing my message. If una want hear, una hear. If una want decide so una no go hear, una no go hear. And for that picking them, I warn una. I the warn una now. I give una verbal warning. Una leave that picking them. Say my class pikin in hand dey so wait to help you. Una dash me the pikin them. I know say I no get money, but we go born cocoa, we go chop am. Say grant the ben wo pikin. Una leave the pikin them. Una dash me. Say to Sarah a pikin wo dele ezemo. Una give me the pikin. Allow me wo pikin them. Allow me handicap pikin them. I get only one. Una gather all the pikin them. Give me I go born cocoa and they go chop. Say gonna soup they don't scatter. Gonna can't take my own. Take my own soup them cannot know what I do there. Say gonna no get womb. Gonna take and give my womb. Use it and do whatever you want. Use them. you go get pikin, you have children. Whoever no get pikin for Cameroon or for Usai, he go get pikin as long as he pray. And moreover, even if you no get pikin, there are a lot of children out there. As ngono na friend for Hazayo pikin and ngono e pikin. Hazayo pikin and ngono e pikin. But una mean, una dash me all the pikin, they will walk pikin and me I like and me. Oh, na they try to talk. I don't know whether some pikin they will walk for mommy way born am. Una go to bring me that pikin that picture there for social media. Una no correct oh. Una head they not really correct. You le mommy, you decide and they crush your blood. You burn pikin, you push for labor room. Me wa push for labor room. I want craze. Then I want to see tomorrow some person they can't crush my pikin for social media. I will not answer you, but it will pain me. I will be depressed because all will get skeleton there who are cupboard. I'll be depressed. Say a grandmother a pikin, na very ugly pikin. Pikin wey not care for this society, no even know nothing. If your mommy don't do you bad, then the pikin do you bad. Grandmother to coach the other person he own to the coach, you go up and down the coach. Now the impact that one create for our life. Now the example that one they give me. I be don't talk my friend they don't advise me say man no enter inside saga, need the enter inside saga. I dey try to pass an information. Say more stop auditing them because it no go help we. More get what information they will pass and not by criticizing and hating one another. More na watch una friend that video, they watch una video, they take what you if you take and leave the one way you know if you take leave the one way you know if you take Me, I don't say and say if you are comment the worry some man in video, your comment section the worry some person in video. Like if you comment for person in the video where it affects it. If you say the thing the vex the person, leave and you come on you. Me myself, I be don't be a strong follower of Kobos. Mama Atalaku. I be the watch Mama Atalaku. Mama Atalaku be the give a lot of sense for me. It be the talk a lot of things them. But the time when I comment for Mama Atalaku, this is when Mama Atalaku be the talk about a altar. I can't comment and say well you did try to divert this topic to only about marriage and a it belong me. I be say yes, it be belong me, it be get a reason for belong me because my comment be the affected of which if I be know so, I will just stay away from her page. It impact a lot of life, it teach a lot of things to people, even Kobos. I see how we Kobos don't go to an extent way, it bring that girl for university where they be moved in here. It was just a comedy skit or now have it talk a life lesson skit. I don't see the small fine between the even afford even an Android phone. So when I see that kind of examples and see two Kobos they do I never thought say couples be very perfect or I like the video the 100%, but I just try to bring the important things them. I just try to bring in the important things them. We feel learn from it. It get own negative side, but I no come for here for can condemn any person. I don't come here for can condemn any person because no matter how senseless the person they talk, if you should not listen and find, you'll get a lot of sense. I love you, Grandtive. I love you, Dupe Sarah Die. I love Isabella, keeping it 237. Lady B Billionaire, Emma Class, Bling Bangs. Hands are you, voice of the voiceless, hot box, big boutiques. I love you now. I love you now. Una keep the social media vibrant. I don't see a lot of YouTubers there for Cameroon. They're making a lot of sense, but no person need to go there for go watch them. Then they want now viewers. Then when they make life easy for these people, when they pressurize all these YouTubers, they will do na comment section. When they say yes, that one would have a big head. If they come, the repercussion they come. Most of them they don't even know that there are people there they comment. When the repercussion go come, it go come now for the person who light the camera. Una there for the comment section, they follow the people, then they give them a comment, they hate them. Una no go be there for suffer the repercussion with them. Una no go there for suffer with them. Una only push them. Negativity now for the way you go see Cameroon and they above that they comment for under. What about those people there that they try for impact like you will go person the talks on TV, if you watch them, it go give you a lot of sense. You want go under again at 50 views. 40 views, 10 views, 1 subscriber. Because they waiting, they bring useless things from society. Me myself I be Cameroonian, I like vibe, I like me positive vibes. I like that if person do wrong things, make them bring the wrong thing for social media, condemn the wrong things, but not with insult. And insulting is supposed to be insulted, not just insult human being like that. All will get feelings, will be depressed at a certain point in time. You cause some person out of fun for social media, but it's not funny. Do you know how that person sleep at night? You know how that person dey sleep at night? You know, so you talk for some people the way that thing the way actually don't happen for their life and wey they not be proud of. You know, fine, not the purpose that way they create YouTube. You know the purpose that they create Facebook. More try to make meetings and be mutual. Una dey do well for social media. At least una don't even open our eyes, so if we use YouTube, if we use Facebook, if we use am judiciously, because some of you dey pay Wi-Fi but will not even make use of it. Be that kind YouTuber where if I see you for road, I go run hug you, tell you how you don't impact my life. No be that kind YouTuber where I can't tell you say I don't learn caution from you. No be that kind YouTuber. And when I dey talk, I dey appreciating the way they're supposed to be appreciated. Grant even a person way, if he talk it, he talk as straight, and if he talk at 2 and X way, he go harsh. Same thing with Dupe Sahara. That the same things and that. They talk for that manner, but I know say inside their heart they are very nice souls, because no human being know the way it be born with a black heart. I beg now subscribe if you've been first time for my channel. You press the like button and you share. I don't talk about this thing. I don't talk about this thing with my friends them. It really be painful for me for see say pickings the way they come for the well, where they don't write application, una be shida, una tuma, body picking they come for the well. Maybe people they can make a mockery out of them. Una say this social media they lost, una picking the watch video them. Even if the quality they not be as good as their own time to can be, but they go watch this video them. You go online, you light a camera. Now so that people they go learn from you. If you are picking, go give reference to a friend and say, go and watch my mama's channel. She's teaching us. I don't talk about that because I know say most of our video then are above 18. When your picking don't grow reach 20 years, I go refer for your video for person make hear the way the caution your mommy bumbu. Now that kind of thing the way una one side una picking the the caution money picking say hand day so or some money picking a full on a full on a way to own a caution. Una know how male shapes some people they put up for charity organization they only for take care for the picking. I remember this charity organization not come for Hands Are Yoke. Hands Are Yoke, you want make charity organization. I'll be very sorry for talking to you, but you really think say me I go come, I can't watch your channel, I see all that caution, then I still come again for can take part for your charity. Change your channel, change the way you go for your channel, all will go come. You know be bad person, you act now out of your pain, people they don't insult you, but not give them back to back. They never give no man trophy say be the best way the coach. At the end of the day, YouTube will give you $100, $200, but what is the impact you create in the society? I don't know whether when a boyfriend they take down a video, they wash them. Or when a brothers and sisters they take down a video, they wash them. I don't know the comment where they give now. It not be correct. It might say, oh, YouTubers they now do now they insult on ourselves, on our fellow YouTubers them. Instead for the promote one another, when I go instead the turn and for saga, you know fine so. I know say my talk no mean anything, but at least I don't pass out the information, because if I should not, they worry me. See these foolish Nigerians them naturally then they go enter with matches, concord themselves, then they say they want to take blood through a chemical for dry clean floor. That's why I want to meet a Cameroon YouTuber, they can be where they go to attack people they for road, bust eye, bust nose, move blood for ear. Because you lie your camera, you crush my family. If una not accept them, if person can't talk about your family negatively, no, it pain you. Imagine say so your auntie watch your video, they crush your pikin, say your pikin are full. They are picking where your auntie or your uncle they for Cameroon, they struggle for take care for you. Now when I take a sabotage shampoo online, if na me I stay with your pikin, I'll call you, can't take your pikin. Because you depress people them. When they depress people them first. And when they even make a new YouTuber they fear for come out can't talk because they fear someone go stand live and come and coach them. New YouTuber they don't talk about this thing because they fear. Even I watched on Cameroon blogger the other day, he try to talk, but he not really talk because he fear you when they ask the question, he fear you for talk to them more and no can enter inside life and scatter them. I never thought una be bad people dem, una dey act na under temper, hot temper, because the person don do this thing for this person, I wan pay it back in im own coin. Abeg, I be very sorry if I fit don talk something for here wey e don hurt una feelings dem, but I just try to be real, I just try to talk the thing whether we fit close this topic now and then bring new thing the way that dey happen for the society. We get a lot of life dem for touch am, we get a lot of people the way they need, we need to impact on people's life, not to instead subtract or abstract. Like, I don't know how I want to put myself, abstract from people's life, no. And the whole of this thing that we overtouch me na this thing on the voice no be fine thing for person for here say a fellow woman no fit born pikin because say e get this problem or that problem. I get some medicine wey I be refer some people dem dey use am, wey the people dey be get for go do IVF, but most of the people the way they use the thing e work for them. So if you be interested, Bono, you fit hit me up, I go tell you and I go send you the link there for YouTube. Maybe you see people that testimony where they don't use that particular thing, it work for them. I be order my own from Desert Card, na some application online. They can't deliver for me, but you pay before they deliver for you. I be use and I be work perfectly right for me. So you go try this one. If you hit me up, if you be interested, make a person thank God for me watch the video. And I want to tell you, say sister, not to not be wrong with your tubes. The doctor's reports not that got a report. Try natural things, them drink a lot of herbs, make pawpaw leaf, make back for lemon, make mint leaf, all kinds of, always stay natural. If you wash down your tube, not to know they like bust tube your tube, they never bust anything. God in ways and not a man in ways. Forget that thing say IVF. You still gather money, you do IVF, it comes, some other complication will come. I know the pray for so. But we try the natural ways. We are in this together. See you on the racial life. If any man be don't hurt you in any way, leave her. You forgive the person because you are so intelligent. Super Sarah. See how you come out yesterday now. Mr. I know say you don't come out. You know, you sweet yesterday for your show. You're looking on point. We love you. All the YouTubers, we love you. In my class and your friends, just una small, so pretty, small, long mob them. See how they just ginger una bring the beast out of una. Una way I look at it, really like them, but I still like una still. I over still like una. Me na una biki calm down, I beg. Una biki calm down. As I calm down. See a fine nose. As I look at some fine nose way. If you look that nose, you like them. Okay, ma end my video for here. I love una too much. Stay blessed. Bye bye.